The front window heating system, also known as the front defogger or defrost, utilizes a resistive heating grid embedded in the windshield. This grid warms the glass to melt frost or fog, improving visibility. It is essential for safe driving, especially in cold or humid conditions. It draws power from the alternator, around 10 to 15 amps, so prolonged use can affect fuel efficiency. The defrost button is located on the center console of the Honda Accord VII. It's marked with a windshield icon and horizontal lines representing airflow. The button's exact placement may vary slightly depending on the trim level, such as LX or EX, but it's typically positioned near the climate control knobs. The icon clearly indicates its function: a windshield shape with arrows or lines showing how air flows to clear the glass. First, ensure the ignition is in the on position. Second, locate the defrost button on the climate control panel. Third, press the defrost button once to activate. An indicator light should illuminate. Fourth, for optimal performance, manually set the temperature to hot, red zone, and the fan to high speed using the control knobs. Ensure the ignition is in the on position. Locate the defrost button on the climate control panel. Press the button once to activate. An indicator light should illuminate. Pressing this button activates the blower fan at maximum speed and directs air toward the windshield. The system typically runs for about 10 to 15 minutes before automatically shutting off to prevent overheating or battery drain. The defrost system uses joule heating, where electrical resistance converts to heat, melting frost or fog on the windshield. The heating grid embedded in the windshield creates resistance that generates heat. The grid is powered by the vehicle's electrical system. Prolonged use can affect fuel efficiency. Safety note: never operate the defrost while driving on wet roads, as it can impair visibility until cleared. If the defrost isn't working, check the fuse related to the heating system. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Also, inspect the windshield for any visible damage to the heating grid. Cracks can disrupt the electrical circuit. Regularly inspect the windshield and grid for damage. Avoid using abrasive cleaners on the interior of the windshield where the grid connects. Automotive engineer Dr. Sarah Klein from the Society of Automotive Engineers notes in a 2025 interview with Car and Driver that manual defrost systems in early 2000s vehicles like the Accord VII are prone to wear due to high current draw, recommending annual inspections. The 2002 to 2008 Honda Accord uses a manual defrost system that requires driver intervention to activate and control. Newer vehicles feature automatic systems with sensors that detect humidity and temperature, activating the defrost without manual input for faster and more efficient operation. A 2024 Consumer Reports test showed the 2005 Accord's defrost took 12 minutes to clear ice, compared to just 3 minutes for the 2023 Accord with its automatic defrost system.